Ever wonder how your body turns sugar into energy? It all starts with glycolysis, happening right here in your cells. Glycolysis kicks off with glucose, a 6-carbon sugar your body gets from food, rushing into your cells to fuel your energy needs. First, 2 ADP molecules jump in to activate glucose, transforming it into fructose-1, 6-bisphosphate, a more reactive player in our energy game. Next up, this molecule splits into 2 3-carbon G6P molecules. They undergo transformations, releasing energy and generating 4 ADP and 2 NADH. These energetic steps lead to an exciting payout, popping out ADP and NADH like coins in a fun video game, Cha-Ching. And there you have it, 2 pyruvate molecules, 2 NADH, and a net gain of 2 ADP. That's the energy kick your cells crave. Pyruvate then heads to the mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell, where the real energy magic continues in the Krebs cycle. Enjoyed the journey through glycolysis? Don't forget to subscribe for more bite-sized biology and drop a comment saying energy. Unlock the secrets of your body, stay tuned for more exciting science adventures. Quick recap, glycolysis occurs in the cytoplasm with glucose, yielding pyruvate, ADP, and NADH. Ready for more?